All right, my name is Luis Mercado. A little bit about my background. I was a college dropout. I've done some construction in my day. Tried different things to make money. I'm a full-time actor right now, living in Hollywood, California. I was looking at the gift card business. I reached out to David, and I wanted to find out more information of, I guess, what kind of income I could make, what kind of work I would have to do, and more importantly, how much time I would have to put into it. And one of the things that I found so simple is it really doesn't require a lot of time. I'm not very computer savvy, and I found out it doesn't really require much of that either. So it kind of made a lot of sense to me. I got started, I think my first month, if I was looking back, I'd made a little over $600 doing it extremely part-time. I was very hesitant with it because I'm not too familiar with this kind of work. Um, and just, kept doing it as extremely part-time. The hours are very short. I think my highest month is just under $7,000, which is an amazing income. I mean, you can't find jobs like that. So I just found it as a very simple business. More importantly, the time you put into it. I'm working 10-hour months, 15-hour months. I know people that work that many hours in a day, and it's just a complete blessing to be able to do something like this and then still be able to pursue my dreams as an actor, and be able to thrive and do other things as well.
Okay, great. Let's take a closer look at Luis's income and when he first got started and how much he generated. Looks like his first month here, got started back in May 2013, so about a year and a half ago. And I love Luis's story. He's very, very part time because he gets to pursue his career and his passion as an actor. And because of this business, it allows him to not worry about the income and also have that flexibility of time to pursue that career. So it's an incredible story, and we're very proud of Luis and look forward to seeing him on TV or the big screen movies one day. So let's go ahead and take a look. So his first month looks like he generated $643. Now that's not bad at all for his first month, and we can even dissect it even further and take a look on a per transaction basis. He made $29 here, $56 here, $159 here on this transaction, and $119 here. So it looks like a total he did, looks like 8 transactions, and I can tell you right now, each transaction takes no longer than 15 to 20 minutes tops. If you're really slow, then it'll probably take you about 30 minutes. So if you really add this up, Luis only worked 4 hours in this whole, 3 to 4 hours in this whole entire month, and he made $643. That's almost $150 to $200 an hour, almost as much as some doctors and some attorneys make. So that's a pretty big income when you look at it in that perspective. We'll fast forward over to August. He had a really, really big increase in August. So in less than 90 days, was able to generate $5,540. September went down to $2,100. As you can see, we're very transparent. We show you the ups and we show you the downs. It's a normal business. So in October, jumped back up to $6,000. So that's not bad at all. His biggest month, just like he said in his story, $6,700 in November. So what a nice holiday, holiday season to be able to make that kind of income, huh? $6,700, and probably worked a little bit more. In this month he probably worked. Looks like I'll add it up real quick. He did a total of 50 transactions, so he probably worked about 20 hours in the whole entire month. So we're talking about 5 hours a week, really following the model of 5 to 10 hours a week, which is what we teach. In December, 4,055. January, 2,200. February this year, 2,200 again. March, 1,700. April, 1,600. So you can see Luis averages between $1,500 to $4,000 consistently, and then when he has a really good month, it's about $6,000 to $7,000. So really, really awesome. 1,200 here. Looks like in July, jumped up to 2,100. Take a look at August. This is 3,800 in August. This is September of this year now. We're back up to 3,500. So yeah, $1,500 to $3,000 a month is pretty consistent for Luis. About 3,000 there in October, and last month in November, $3,800. Not bad at all for a very part-time basis. And as you can see, it's not the total amount of money that you make that's really important. It's about the amount of time that you put into the business, low investment in your time to produce big income. I mean, right here, you made $200, for 30 minutes of work, $70 for 30 minutes of work, $140 for 15, 20, 30 minutes of work, So that's the reason why we're able to do what we do, is because the amount of time we put in and the income we're able to make. So really excited to share Luis's income and his story.